See here. Find the roots of following quadratic equation if they exist using the quadratic formula. मतलब कि we should find the roots. We should find the roots using the quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? बताया था कल ना. X is equal to minus of b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Correct है बाबा जी formula where b square minus 4ac is equal to d for donkey, discriminant, कुछ न कुछ तो होता ही होगा है ना. d for discriminant. अच्छा फिर बताया था this d depend on three things: nature of fruits, right? Either d can be greater than 0, d can be equal to 0, and d can be less than 0. Correct. If d is greater than 0, if d is roots will be real and distinct. Real and distinct means different, just different name in English, distinct, because a question gave like roots are distinct. You should know what the meaning of distinct, right? Yes na. So real and distinct. If d is equal to 0, then roots will be real and equal. Real and equal. If d is less than 0, then roots will be
imaginary.
Roots will be imaginary. Correct. After that I didn't written anything. Just I written imaginary. And all imaginary roots will be conjugated. This one no need to write. All imaginary roots will be conjugated. Conjugated means one will be plus, one will be minus. One will be plus, like it will be in the form of a plus minus bi. A plus minus bi. But imaginary is not there in your syllabus. So if d is less than 0, if d is roots will be imaginary, and what we will say in your syllabus, roots cannot be possible. Correct. We can't find the roots direct. Understood? Yes or no? So these all things I told. Other thing what I told here, if roots are real and distinct, if roots are, graph will be cutting at two places. Graph will be cutting at and when this will happen, when a is more than 0, d also more than 0. Yes na. Then I told graph can be in this format. Correct. When a is less than 0 and d is more than 0. Correct. Here I told if d is equal to 0, then roots will be only 1. Roots will be 2, but both will be same only. Correct. So it will cut at only one place, like touching at one place. Touching at one place. This can be like this also. Touching at one place. When this is possible? When a is more than 0 and d equal to 0. When this is possible? When d equal to 0 and a is less than 0. Getting? Achha. Then I told when d is less than 0, roots will be imaginary. Means it will not touch at x-axis at all. Means graph will be somewhere. Correct. It may can y-axis. It may can cut y-axis, but we are finding the value of x. This thing remember, we are finding the value of x, not y. So if cutting at y-axis doesn't matter for us. It should cut at x-axis. So when d is negative, negative means less than 0. Yes, if d is negative, you will get a graph like this. It will not touch x-axis. Correct. When this is possible, when a is positive, d is negative. Correct. Now it can be in this format. Correct. When a is negative, d is also negative. Correct. This all thing I have taught, right? And at least in the YouTube video, when I was teaching this, that time audio was not there, right? This thing came in this frame or not? Check. Fully coming. Okay. So like that time audio not came. So during revision time, this will help you. Correct? Acha, now came here. So you're saying find the roots by using the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is there. Yes, na? Means first we will check here d. What is saying? If they exist. If they exist means first we will check it is equal to 0 or more than 0, because if the d comes less than 0, if d comes
Less than
we
0.
will not find only.
Yes, sir.
Y will go next, right? Yes or no? So first we will find d. First we will find d. For finding d, a is equal to 3, b is equal to -5, c is equal to plus 2. Whatever sign is there with the same sign is right. Then d is equal to what? D is equal to b square minus 4ac.
Yes, sir.
अरे d is equal to
B square minus 4ac.
b square minus
4ac.
means b square means minus 5 square minus 4 into 3 into 2
Yes, sir.
means this is 25 minus 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is
24.
24 means d is equal to 1, means d is positive.
Yes, sir.
If d is positive we can able to find, right? And we get to know root, we will get the two answer, distinct roots. We'll get the two answer, means that is distinct root, right? So find x is equal to minus of b, minus of so see, right, minus of -5, written minus b, then plus minus root over d, root over
D.
because this term is fully d na, so I can write in this format na, minus of b plus minus root over d by 2a. Yes or no? So here root over d we get 1, d we get 1 by 2 into what is a is
3.
so this become 5 plus minus root over 1 is 1 by 6,
Yes, sir.
by
Six.
6. Now see 5 plus 1 by 6 and comma 5 minus 1 by 6,
Yes, sir.
because plus minus is there. Yes na? Now this is 6 by 6, 6 by
6.
1, this is 4 by 6, this is
4 by 6.
means 2 by 3, 4 by 6 means 2 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Getting or not? So write directly 2 by 3.
Yes, sir.
So this is your roots.
Roots.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Try next one. Here a is equal to 1. Coefficient of x square is how much? 1 only na? So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to where you people are there?
I'm checking, sir. Coming.
अरे जागो मेरे रसगुल्ले बच्चों, जागो जागो, स्माइल, से गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, sir.
बेटा बोल रहे नहीं तो बाहर खड़ा करके 100 बार गुड मॉर्निंग कोड में बुलवाएंगे. स्पीक गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, sir.
हमारे इंसान फुल स्लीपिंग वाली, सेइंग टू से गुड मॉर्निंग. आर यू इन दिस प्लैनेट ओनली मैन? Full person. I'm showing this is C. He is sleeping, saying to say good morning, sleeping. Sir, be active in the class. What is this? Bop re bop. Which kind of difficult work I told him. I'm saying for you only, man. What I'm get profit. Actually, I get loss if I'm wasting my this much time with you. In this much time, at least I've written this. At least I would have found a D. And you are thinking, Papa. Fool person. So find your D.
Sir.
D is equal to
4ac.
4C.
अरे बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का था. सो बी स्क्वायर 16. अरे यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
डायरेक्टली चला राइट ना. 4 स्क्वायर इज 16 माइनस 4. 4 into 1 is 4.
Yes, sir.
4 into 1 is
4.
into 5 20.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because-
Not get?
Yes, sir. Get it.
Get or not? A is equal to 1. C is equal to
5.
5. So 4 5 are 20.
Yes, sir.
20.
So what do we get? D is equal to
4.
minus 4.
4.
D is equal to
Minus 4.
means D is negative.
Negative.
So roots are
Not imaginary. Like
imaginary.
Yes, sir.
So we'll not find only. Why to waste our time?
Yes, sir.
will not find value, leave here only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or you can say roots are the imaginary or root doesn't exist according to your syllabus. According to your syllabus, what you write? Root doesn't exist. Correct? Now check third one. Here find first. Here A is equal to
B 2
B is equal to
root
minus 2 root 2. C is equal to 1.
plus 1.
Correct now? Whatever written, just write coefficient.
Sir.
Copy it. Getting? Next. Find D. D is equal to B square minus.
4AC.
So B square minus 2 root 2 square.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Acha, minus 4 into A is 2, C is 1. True na? Now see. Minus a square is plus.
Yes, sir.
Minus a square is
Plus.
plus. 2 a square is 2 a square is 4. 2 a square is 4. Root 2 a square is
4
2 only.
root 2.
Arre, this one man. Root A square is A.
Yes, sir.
Root A square is A. Yes na? So again minus a square is plus.
Yes, sir.
2 a square is
4
4. Root 2 a square is
2.
2. So 4 into 2. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Acha, here 4 2 ja 8 means 0.
Equal, sir.
Roots are equal means real and equal will get. Then find now x is equal to minus b. So minus 2 root 2.
2.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus b. Then plus minus root over d. Root over d is 0. Root over d is
0
by 2a. A is how much?
2.
Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Now, so this term becomes 0 only.
Yes, sir.
Nothing remaining, just here. So minus into minus plus 2 root 2 by 4. 2 root 2 by 4. So 2 2 ja 4 means root 2 by
By 2.
2.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Same thing you write again because roots are real and equal.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So root 2 by 2. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Copy this. Why copy this? Chap lo. See here. Like looking little bit big, right? Actually, this is also correct, but if you want, you can rationalize it. If you want, you can rationalize it. Correct. So, what the process of rationalizing? Like here, root 2 by 2. Answer is root 2 by 2. For rationalization, what we should do? We should multiply with the same root term. We should multiply and divide with same root term. Getting na?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now, root 2 into root 2?
0. Root
2.
2.
2 only. I told before, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Root A into root A is equal to A. Same thing. All things are same only. So here 2 by 2 root 2. 2 by
2.
now cancel. So 1 by root 2. So either you write root 2 by 2 or 1 by root 2. Answer is same only. Getting? And one more things you learn how to do rationalization. Correct? Find the roots of the following equation. Correct. Given x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. X plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Where x is not equal to 0. Where x is not equal to 0. Achha, why this thing is given? Why this thing is given? They are feeling bored, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See why they have given. If we put x is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to 0. So this becomes 0 plus 1 by 0. 0 plus 1 by 0. Actually, this doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. For being a fraction, what say? It should be in the form of p by q. P by q. And q should not be equal to 0. And here becoming q is equal to 0. So this term only doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. Like say, if I say to divide 1 by 0, 1 by
0.
or 0 by 1, 0 by 1. Yes na? Acha. 1 if I say to divide this one, what will say? 1 if I multiply with 0, I will get answer 0. Yes na? Means 0 divided by 1 you are getting 0. 0 divided by 1 you are getting 0. But in 0, how much I should multiply that I will get 1? How much I should multiply? 10, 20, 5 lakh, 20 lakh, what will multiply? That will get 1. Not possible. Getting? Means if you do here infinite also, even then you will not get answer. So answer will be here not defined. We can't define this. Yes or no? 0 by 1 we can't define. We can't define. And the can't define according to your syllabus. I'm just talking in the 10th only, not in 11. Not in 11, only I'm talking in the 10th. Not defined, you can write infinite. Not defined, you can write infinite. When you go in the 11, correct, you learn what is not defined and what is infinite. What is plus infinite, what is minus positive infinite, what is negative infinite. When to write not defined, when to write negative infinite, when to write positive infinite. Understood? All things are there. But if you're learning with good teacher, then only they will say. Else, Haji, okay. Understood? So, if somebody asks 0 by 1 is 0, but 1 by 0 is not defined.
Not defined.
Correct? Getting? So, if I put here x is equal to 0, this equation only will not exist. Getting? Why this term is given? Simply, right? And here this much big meaning is there. Yes or no? Why they are given? You can't put here x is equal to 0. If you put 0, this equation only will doesn't exist. Achha, now see the question. This thing copy. Now equation is x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, and you should find the roots. You should find the simple. Take the LCM.
X.
Take the LCM into here. So x square divided by 1 is there, na?
Sir.
Divided by 1. If nothing is given, means 1. So 1 divided by x is x. X into x is x square. Plus x get cancelled. So 1 is equal to 3. So x square plus 1. Bring this x this side. So 3x. Yes, na? Bring this side. X square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Acha. In this question, they have not told you should apply that Babaji formula. They have not told you should apply the Babaji formula. So if they have not told you should apply which formula, you can apply splitting the middle term, completing the square, Babaji, whatever you want to apply, doesn't matter for us. Correct? If they specify, then use that only. Else, whichever you feel easy, apply that one. Correct? So, x square, I required here plus 1. I required here? Achha, wait, which formula you want to apply? Babaji?
Sir.
Chalo, apply that only. So what is a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to plus 1.
This one.
Yes or no? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to plus 1. Then first find d. First find d is equal to b square minus.
4 is
Acha. So b square minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. Correct. So this become 9 minus 4 is equal to
5.
5. Means roots are possible.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Acha. Now find x is equal to minus of b. So minus of minus 3. Minus of b. Correct? Then plus minus root over d. Root over d is how much? 5. Value of d is 5, right? Value of d is 5. So written here 5 by 2 into a. So 2 into 1 is 2 only. So this become plus 3.
Yes, sir.
Plus 3 plus root 5 by 2 comma 3 minus root 5 by 2.
2.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See this one. Here LCM will be how much? X into x minus 2. Yes or no? I told if you're not getting anything, simply multiply. LCM is x into x minus 2. Now x to x cancel. What remain? X minus 2. What remain?
X minus 2.
Minus x minus 2 x minus get cancel. X.
X.
Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Acha. X get can cancel. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So minus 2 by or by y. This one shall I take this side?
Yes.
So x into x. X square minus 2x into 3 into
3.
who write 3 like this? Then 3x square minus 6x
Yes, sir.
minus
6.
so write here 0 and here plus 2. This side minus 2, this side plus 2. Yes or no? Acha, one more thing. Can we take anything common here? No, because this is 3, this is 2. We can't take common, right? Okay, do by that method only. A is equal to how much? A is equal to
3x square.
3 only.
Sir.
B is equal to
6
minus 6. C is equal to plus 2. Right? See, you make and do many time mistake. Like I still am asking A is equal to 3x square. You are saying 3. But okay, if you say then I can correct it. It's not 3x square, it's 3. But you people are not speaking only.
Sir.
And think, if you not learn in the classroom, now don't think like you can go in the house and you can learn. It's not possible. First learn here. Getting? Chalo. So we get ABC. Now, after finding this, what you should do? Find D.
D.
D is equal to
4x.
B square minus 4AC at least. So now here, B square how much? Minus 6 square minus 4 into 3 into 2. This is 36 minus 4 3 ja 12. 12 2 ja 24. So 36 minus 24 how much? Plus 12.
Yes, sir.
Plus 12. Acha. Now find X. Now find
X.
X. Acha. So X is equal to minus of B. So B is how much? Minus 6. So write directly plus 6.
Yes, sir.
B is equal to minus 6. So minus into minus, because minus of minus 6 is plus 6. Getting? Again I am saying B is equal to minus 6. Before one minus is there. So minus of minus 6 is plus 6. Acha. Plus minus root over D. Root over D is how much?
12.
12. Root over D is
12.
12. Acha, one more thing. Root over 12. Root over
12.
Can I write 4 into 3 is equal to 12? Root means can I write 2 root 3? This 4 I taken out. Of course, this 4 I have taken out.
Yes, sir.
Not get. 2 into 3 I can write. Correct na? Means this 2 actually in the root, if anything become couple, that one you can take out. In the root, if anything becoming couple, that you can take out. So this is one couple.
Yes, sir.
This is one couple. So I can take 2 root 3. Yes na? So instead of 12, shall I write 2 root 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? This also you copy, because else you will forget.
Yes, sir.
Correct? 2 root 3 by 2 by 2a. So what is a?
3.
Shall I write 6?
Yes, sir.
Yes na? Acha, next. Shall I take 2 out from upside?
Yes, sir.
Because this is 6, this is 2. So if I take 2 out, 3 plus root 3 by 6. 3 2 ja 6.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, 2 3 ja 6. Means here minus also, right?
Yes, sir.
3 plus minus root 3 by 3. Correct na? Means 3 plus root 3 by 3, comma 3 minus root 3 by 3. So this you get your answer. Correct. If you want to rationalize, you can rationalize also. If you want to rationalize, you can rationalize also. Understood? Understood?
Sir.
Chalo. See this. What is saying? A motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour. एक मोटर बोट है. मोटर बोट मतलब जो पानी में चलता है. ठीक है ना? स्पीड इज 18 किलोमीटर पर आवर इन स्टिल वाटर. स्टिल वाटर मतलब शांत. लाइक वेव इज नॉट गोइंग दिस साइड और नॉट गोइंग दिस साइड. करेक्ट. अच्छा. व्हाट इज द स्पीड?
18 kilometer per hour. Still water.
बोट इज राइट. यस ना? यस और नो? बोट समझे? तो इन स्टिल वाटर योर स्पीड हाउ मच? 18 किलोमीटर. अच्छा. 1 hour more to go 24 kilometer upstream. Upstream का मतलब what is meaning of upstream? If wave is this side, wave is this side, and boat is going this side. Correct? Then speed will be less. Speed will be less. अच्छा. When wave is this side, stream is this side, and boat is also going this side, then a speed will be more, a speed will be less. Yes na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now, so saying they have to go 24 kilometer in upstream and return to the
Down.
same position. It means starting from here, it went and again returned back. Means one time going is a speed is less, but coming a speed will be more.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
sir.
And asking given also 1 hour time is also given.
1 hour.
Then asking the speed of the boat.
Boat.
Speed of the
Boat.
boat. So let the speed of the boat be x.
Yes, sir.
Let the speed of the boat be
X.
x. अच्छा x assume कर लिए हैं. We assumed x.
X.
But the speed of the boat is given 18 kilometer.
Yes, sir.
Means in the upstream it will be 18 minus x minus, right?
Sir.
That is the speed in the still water. Correct. Now going in the upstream, so speed will be less. Yes or no? अच्छा. And here
18 plus.
18 plus x. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not? Are understood or not? अच्छा. Same thing that is right. Let the speed of the boat be
X.
x. Let speed of boat be x kilometer per hour. Then a speed of the boat in upstream will be how much? 18 minus x kilometer per hour. Yes na? Then in downstream 18 plus x kilometer per hour. Yes na? Understood how I written?
Sir.
Sir.
Now we should find the speed. We should find the
Speed.
speed. So find speed in upstream, speed in downstream, speed in upstream, speed in
Downstream.
downstream. And I told you to remember this table. Bajaj Pulsar DTS, right? DTS, distance time speed. So speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by
Time.
time, right? अच्छा, we should find the speed, and the speed we have assumed, right?
Yes, sir.
The speed we have assumed. So find time. Time in the upstream. Time in the
Upstream.
how much? Time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to
Distance by speed.
so 24 by 18 minus x. This is in the upstream. This is in the
Upstream.
time. In the downstream, how much? 24 by
4 by 18 plus x.
getting now? We get the time in the upstream. We get time in the
Upstream.
downstream. Acha. Total time is given how much?
1 hour.
1 hour. Shall we add?
Yes, sir.
Going and coming. Add it. Means 24 by 18 minus x plus 24 by 18 plus x is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to
1.
1. Now just to simplify. Yes na? How to simplify? 24 before only I am taking out. Correct. If I take 24 out, 24 here 1 by 18 minus x plus 1 by
18.
plus x is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes na? Acha. Take this 24 this side multiplication, this side
Division.
division. Acha. And take here LCM. So 18 minus x, 18 plus x is equal to 1 by
24.
24. Yes na? 18 minus x get cancelled. What remain? 18 plus x plus 18 plus x, 18 plus x get cancelled. What remain? 18 minus x minus minus बरसात. करेक्ट. बरसात का मतलब
Cancel.
अबे when rain happen everything will be washed, right? So that is called बरसात.
But
So this become 36 by, shall I take this one this side?
yes, sir.
Denominator this side, shall I take? Means 18 minus x, 18
Yes, sir.
plus x. Acha. One more thing. 1 by 24 na. If I take this one here, it will come into multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Shall I do like this? Into 24
Yes, sir.
into
24.
acha. Now don't multiply, let it be 36 into 24 only. Correct. Actually you have to multiply. Later we'll see. Is it visible? A minus b, a plus b.
Yes, sir.
Is it divisible? A minus b, a plus b. Can I write 18 a square minus x square? 18 a square minus x square. So 18 a square how much? 18 a square how much?
18 square.
Or at least see your first page. It is written on that.
36.
Hey Bhagwan. 324. Or see your first page. That place you have written, right? The next book you can't copy, right? So busy person. See, if you're not getting also, try to multiply fast. 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is remaining 6. Correct. 8 1 is 8. 8 1 is 8. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 4 20 plus 2 22. Remaining 2. Correct. Yes or no? Then 1 1 is 1 plus 2.
3.
324. Actually, I remember, but for your purpose, I showed you also.
Yes, sir.
If you don't have remember, waste the time. If you remember, you should not waste your time. Minus
X square.
x square. Now this one multiply and say 36 into 24. Multiply and say fast. Are all multiply? What are you thinking? Thinking your page will waste. 24, not 4. All get same. Do multiplication fast.
864.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Then bring this term this side. Bring this term. Yes, sir.
Square.
So now subtract how much you'll get? 540, right? Check.
5. Answer.
How much you get? How much did you get?
Yes, sir. 540.
540.
540.
540 is the square of which number?
X.
540 is the square of which number? Wait, I check. 1 second.
540.
See, where is the wrong? 1 hour more to go. 1 घंटा ज़्यादा लगता है. तो मतलब कि
Minus.
here is the biggest problem.
Yes, sir. ये बोला है सर इसको बोला.
Minus. So if this is minus, this is plus, right? So 18 and 18 get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
So what become here? 2x by 1 by 24, right? 1 by
24.
so this is 48x. 24 to the 48.
X.
x is equal to this, all you can bring this side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means 18 square minus x square. 18 square how much you told? Now again forget. So all term bring this side. All the terms bring.
This side.
So plus x square plus 48x minus 324 is equal to
0.
0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now either you can use Babaji formula or splitting the middle term. Right? The number is big, so better to apply splitting the middle term. So 324. How many times? 2. 1, 6, 2,
2. Yes, sir.
2, 8, 1, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. Correct now? We should get here 48.
Yes, sir.
We should get here 48. Check how? So this is 27 plus 12 how much? No, right? If you take 3 3 9 3 27. 27, actually one term should be minus. Correct now? Because here term is minus. So think about minus. If I do 3 3 9 3 27, 2 ja
Minus
3 3 9, 9 3 ja
27.
27, or 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja
24. 24.
how I get 24? Take this much. 3 3 ja 9. Correct? Or 9 2 9 3 ja 27. 27 2 ja 27 2 ja 54.
54.
27 2 ja 54 and minus 6. So 54 minus 6 is how much? 48.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So right here x square plus 54x minus 6x minus 324. X out, x plus 24, sorry 54, right? Minus 6 out. So x plus 54. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So x plus 54 out, x minus 6 remain here. Means x is equal to minus 54 and x is equal to 6. X is equal to minus 54 and x is equal to 6. So answer will be which one? Minus or plus 1?
Minus.
Arey, how minus, man? How a speed can be negative?
You minus or plus or minus.
How a speed can be negative? So answer is understood?
Yes, sir.
Copy it.